Claude just knocked ChatGPT off the #1 spot on the App Store. That's the first time that that's ever happened, and I can't say that I'm surprised. 6 months ago, I was using ChatGPT for everything, from my scripts to my client work, all of my systems, and I thought I was genuinely sorted. And then one afternoon, I ran the same brief through Claude, and I remember reading through it and stopping and thinking, this is genuinely on a completely different level. ChatGPT had given me something decent, but Claude gave me an answer I didn't even know I was looking for. And that was the last day that I used ChatGPT as my primary tool. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything I found when I took both tools apart, the 4 Claude tools that most people don't even know exist, and how to bring everything you've built in ChatGPT over to Claude in about 2 minutes or so without losing anything. Let's get into it. Alright, before we go ahead and get into the tools themselves, I want to explain why I'm making this call, because this is bigger than just which AI is giving the better responses. When you're choosing an AI platform, you're essentially choosing the entire infrastructure that your workflow lives on. So you need to be confident that that infrastructure is going somewhere good. Just look at what's happening with ChatGPT right now. They're starting to run ads inside of their product. You're already paying $20 plus a month, and they're still monetizing your data on top of that. They're projected to run at a $14 billion loss this year. I don't know about you, but that's not a company that's operating off strength. That's a company that's making moves because it has to. Now on the other side of that, let's take a look at Anthropic, the company that built Claude. Their revenue doubled within the last 12 months, and they're doing all of this at the fraction of the size of OpenAI. The people who are actually at the cutting edge of the space are choosing Claude. And when you see that pattern across the board, it tells you something important about where we're heading. And that financial stability is the reason why the product is miles ahead right now. And that's exactly what you're about to see. Claude is a complete system of 4 tools that work together as a system. Claude Chat for writing, research, and strategy. Claude Chrome for getting things done inside the browser without lifting a finger. Cowork for having Claude carry out tasks directly on your computer on your behalf. And then you have Claude Code for building custom tools and automations without writing a single line of code. Alright, so let's start with Claude Chat, because this is where I see most people get it completely wrong. The assumption is that it's basically the same thing as ChatGPT, but with a different logo on it. It's got the same kind of interface, the same general idea, and they're both AI assistants. But when you actually sit down and use both of them properly for real work, you feel the difference within the first few prompts. The first thing that separates them is how they deal with context and memory. Both of them claim to handle large amounts of context in conversation, but it's not about how much they can hold, it's about how well they can actually use it. From what I've seen, ChatGPT tends to drift a lot. You give it context at the start of the conversation, and by the time you're like 10, 15 messages in, it's completely lost on what you told it in the beginning. Whereas Claude can hold on to that context and keep building on it. The second thing is the quality of what you actually get back. When ChatGPT answers you, you get an answer. But when Claude answers you, you get something that reads like a sharp, well-experienced person on your team that has actually thought through it before they gave you an answer. And I want to give you a real example right here rather than just telling you it's better. I work with a lot of solopreneurs and small business owners, and one thing I help them on is analyzing their entire operation and see where they're losing time and money. So I started running those same briefs through both of these tools side by side. ChatGPT would usually come back with some kind of surface level observations, the kind that you would honestly just figure out by yourself with 5 minutes of thinking. Whereas Claude will find patterns and connections in the data that I never thought to look for, and presenting them in a way that I could actually do something with them right away. And guys, if you're finding this video useful so far, go ahead and drop a like on this video real quick. It genuinely helps me reach more people, and it takes half of a second. So that was Claude Chat right there, and honestly, just that alone would make it more than enough to make the switch. But the reason that I moved everything over isn't just one tool. It's what happens when all 4 of these work together. Let me go ahead and show you that right now. Alright, so Claude Chat is handling your thinking and your writing, and that alone puts you ahead of 99% of people using AI. But the thing is, Claude doesn't just live inside of a chat window. It can actually see everything you're doing inside of your browser and work alongside you in real time. This is Claude Chrome, and honestly, you'll be surprised how many people use Claude every day and still haven't found this tool. It's literally just a simple simple browser extension. All you have to do is go to the Chrome extension store, search Claude, install it, and then connect it to your account, and then that's it. That whole setup there will take you under 2 minutes. But once it's installed, Claude is going to sit on a small panel on the right hand side of your screen, and it can see exactly what you're working on. So instead of copying and pasting things back and forth between different tabs, you can just give it an instruction of what you need and it handles it live right in front of you. And I want to start this section with a real example because I want to show you guys how powerful this thing really is. So a part of my weekly work is running client research and competitor analysis, and I used to block out a couple of hours in a week to pull together different pricing, positioning, and feature comparisons and services for my clients. Nowadays, all I do is just open up a competitor's website, I pull up Claude on the Chrome panel, and I just tell it to extract the pricing, the features, the key positioning from this page, and then from there it reads the entire page, pulls out everything, and then organizes it for me. Then I do the same thing for 2 more competitor sites, and then Claude takes all of that data and does a side-by-side comparison for each of them. What used to take me a full afternoon now takes me about 10 minutes or so, and the output is genuinely cleaner than anything that I could have done manually. But that's just one function of what this can do. You can actually have your email open and ask Claude to process a thread of emails and give you a quick summary of what needs your attention. You can be in any project management tool and ask it to pull out anything that's overdue. And if you got a process that you do regularly, let's say like reviewing application, processing invoices, or working through weekly checklists, you can actually record yourself doing it once and Claude will document the whole thing and turn it into a SOP, which is basically just a step-by-step process guide that you or your team can follow anytime you go to do any of these tasks. Now here's something worth knowing before we move on to the next feature. Everything I just showed you with Chrome is Claude working inside a browser, but your browser is only one part of how you work. What about everything else on your computer? Your files, your folder, your local applications? And that's where the next tool comes in. And the first time I saw what this could do, I sat there thinking to myself how much time I was wasting doing things manually. Now let me introduce you to Claude Cowork if you've never heard of it before. And here's the simplest way I can explain what it does. Claude Chat will think with you and answer your questions, but it only does something when you ask it to. Cowork is completely different. It's basically Claude operating as an AI agent that works locally on your computer. Not inside of a browser tab, but actually on your desktop itself, which means it can open your applications, read your files, pull information from multiple places, and do things on your behalf without you having to micromanage it yourself. You brief them once, they go off and handle it, and when you come back, the work is completely done. That's Cowork. And here's a real example of what it looks like with practice. I work with a lot of small business owners who have built up years of client documents and notes about their company and how it works just sitting in their folder. So what I did was I gave Cowork access to one of those folders for a client recently, and I asked it to pull together a full onboarding guide for a new team member using everything I found. From there, I analyzed the entire folder, understood exactly what I asked it, and then it came back with a first draft right here that covered about 80% of what we needed. Something that would have taken me a full day to pull together if I had done it myself had just been completed for me in under 20 minutes. And all I pretty much had to do was just review it, change a few things, and refine it to how I wanted it to be. Now here's what makes it genuinely powerful for your day-to-day. Think about all of the repetitive tasks that you do on a regular basis. Things like pulling together a weekly report, summarizing project updates, sending Monday morning briefings to your team. You can set up Cowork to handle all of that on a schedule, which means it runs automatically without you having to trigger it every time. All you do is just set it up once and it takes care of it from that point onwards. And that's the one thing I keep coming back to with all of this. You need to be the person who designs the system and then lets the tools run it. So keep that in mind, because the next tool I'm about to show you is what blew my mind the most out of all of the tools here. And I genuinely believe it's going to have the same effect on you. So I want to open this one up with a story because it's the best way I know to show you how seriously I take what I'm about to tell you. So a few months back, I blocked out an entire day in my schedule, right? Cleared my entire client calendar and spent those 2 days running an online workshop for the business owners that I work with. I taught them every single thing I knew about Claude Code. None of them had any kind of technical backgrounds, and some of them had never even written a single line of code. But by the end of day 2, every single one of my clients in that workshop had built something real. Whether it was a working tool, a full automation, they had built something that was already solving their problem in their business. The energy that was coming through the screen stream was like anything I had ever experienced on a Zoom call, because people were leaving the workshops feeling like they had unlocked capabilities that were never possible for them. And the reason I tell you this story is because I want you to go into this next section knowing that this is not for technical people. Anyone watching this video can do this. So I'm guessing you're probably thinking right now, what does Claude Code actually do? Well, in simple terms, you can build tools, automation, and websites for your business by just describing what you want in plain English. You don't need to write a single line of code. You just need to describe an outcome that you need, and Claude goes ahead and builds it. And if something doesn't come out how you expected it, you just literally type to the AI, you know what, change this, or change the color, this headline is too big, and Claude will go ahead and fix that. And what I love about Claude Code the most is that it fixes itself, right? So if there's a problem in the system, or there's a problem with something that you built, Claude would automatically figure out what the problem is and go and fix it on its own without you having to do anything. Let's say, for instance, you run a consulting business, right? And every time you bring in a new client, you're manually pulling together a welcome pack, setting up project folders, drafting first time emails, and sending calendar invites. That whole onboarding process, which probably took you over an hour to do every time, you can now build it as a tool inside Claude Code and just let it run. All you do is just describe the process once, Claude builds it, and from that point onwards, every new client gets the same experience without you ever touching it manually again. And if you want to connect your email marketing tool, your calendar, your project management system, you just tell it which tools you want to use, and then it handles the rest. Now here's the part I really want you to sit with, because this is where it all comes together. So you've got Claude Chat for thinking and writing, you've got Claude in Chrome for getting things done inside of your browser, Cowork handling tasks and files on your actual computer, and then Claude building custom tools, automating specific processes of your business. And that's honestly how I use it every single day, as a complete system. And when you start operating that way, you stop reacting to your workload and start running ahead of it. And if the one thing stopping you from making the switch is a thought that you're going to lose everything that you've built on ChatGPT, that's exactly what I'm covering next. And honestly, it takes about 2 minutes. So right at the start of this video, I made you a promise. I told you that I was going to show you how to move everything over from ChatGPT into Claude without you losing anything. We're talking about your memory, your context, your projects, all of that, right? That's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do right now. And it literally just takes 2 minutes. So stay with me right here. Now, by far the thing I hear the most when I talk to people about switching over is I've spent months building up all of my context and all of my memory in ChatGPT. It knows how I write, how I do business. It knows all of my preferences, and I really can't start out from scratch. Listen, I completely understand all of that. And the good news is that you don't have to. Let me show you exactly what to do right now. Go over to your Claude settings, and then you're going to click on capabilities, right? Once you're there, you'll see an option that says import memory from AI provider. Simply just hit import, and Claude will generate you a pre-written prompt for you. All you do from here is you copy this prompt that you just got from Claude, and then you go to ChatGPT and paste it. And what it's going to come back with is essentially everything that ChatGPT knows about you. So your preferences, your working style, all of your context, and it puts it all together in one clean output. Then from here, you simply just copy the output you just got from ChatGPT, head back over to Claude, and then you're going to paste it into this text box right here, click add to memory, and then just like that, you're done. Everything ChatGPT learned about you over the many months and years that you've been using it is now in Claude's memory. So you're not starting from complete scratch, you're starting from a point where Claude knows everything there is to know about you. And once you've actually done that, here's something that's worth trying. Go to your connectors and link your Gmail, your Google Documents right here, and then ask Claude to build a writing style guide based on the last 50 emails and your 10 most recent documents. What it's going to produce from here is a skill that captures exactly how you communicate. So this will include your tone, your sentence structure, your vocabulary, and that's all learned directly from your own work. From that point onwards, every time you write something in Claude, you can apply that skill and the output sounds like you rather than a generic AI response. This right here is one of the most useful things that you can set up inside of Claude within the first hour. So that's everything, guys. I just laid out 4 tools that you can use in this one system, and a 2-minute process of transferring everything from your ChatGPT account over into Claude. So honestly, at this point, the only thing standing in between you and all of these tools I just showed you is you just actually giving it a go. And drop a comment down below right now and let me know, out of all of these tools I just showed you, which one of them are you going to start using first? I actually read all of my comments, believe it or not, but this is gonna really help me figure out what video I should do next. And if you're not done for today and you want even more out of Claude, the video on the screen right now takes you through every single part of Claude and shows you how to set up completely, right? Which is essentially a full masterclass on how to use Claude. So I'm gonna leave that on the screen right now. That being said, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.